today, this little baby's about to get her massage. But now, all of a sudden, she looks like she wants a bottle.
Oh, mama. Come on, sweetie. Hello.
Oh, so sweet, huh? Mimi's just a sweet little baby girl. I think she hears them sisters playing and getting into everything now. She's just alert. Yeah, she loves being massaged. Spoiled, rotten little brat. Loves her belly rubbed. That'll put you right to sleep. Took her with her plane.
Face massage. Sweetie. Mimi.
Let her sleep for a minute. Look at that, how quick they could go to sleep.
Yeah.
That's how you pamper your babies. Spoiled, rotten little brats.
Yes. Put your leg down, sweetie. Let's see first.
She don't even move, you see that? She is comatose already. They always look innocent when they're asleep. Trying to put her legs down, and she's like, okay.
Okay, sweetie.
Have a good night.
Good night for her.
This is what that ornery cat looks like whenever you wake him up. Hey, ornery one. What are you doing? Oh, somebody's pissy. Somebody's in a bad mood. Who's in a bad mood? In a bad mood? Are you like, leave me alone?
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to play? What do you want to do?
Patty cake, baker's man. Oh, goodness.
Mimi, you okay?
See, I don't even want to play right now. I'm just relaxing, huh?
Okay, sweetie, come on, go back to sleep.
Maybe his daytime snoring woke her up.
Watch it.
I hear some purring. I hear some purring going on. More sleep. Have a good night. She must have been dreaming about kicking another cat away from her. No, no dreaming. You silly kitty cat. You're so silly. Oh, goodness. She is out for the count. 1, 2, 3. It's all over. Oh, goodness.
I wonder what other people they're doing.
So, hey, you pulled that blanket off me. I sure was warm.
That was really lovely. Here.
Keeping me warm with that blanket, huh? Well, she just woke up and she's ornery like her mama whenever she wakes up. Hello, sunshine. Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Oh, now somebody's gonna get their face washed. Somebody got their nose washed and getting their paws washed. You going back to sleep, little girl? Look at that pretty little girl. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Yeah. Hopefully you had a good nap, huh?